Hello, Sari Stars. How are things going on in your sareeing world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I am pleased to showcase a beautiful themed collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees. Independence Day is just a few days away, and today I'm going to showcase a lovely collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees in the colors of our national flag. You can accessorize these with contrast blouses and wear it for your Independence Day celebrations. We begin with a beautiful, vibrant Kanjivaram silk saree in a saffron orange. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk saree is in a lovely saffron orange, and there are lovely Annam Chakram buttas all over the body done in zari. The borders have lovely Banaras motifs. The borders have Banaras motifs in zari, and on this side you have lovely cute elephant and Pegasus motifs, and on this side you have Pakshi and temple motifs, all done in zari. The pallu is a grand pallu and it has zari motifs of Annam Chakram and Banki. Now this is a very gorgeous, very festive and very beautiful sari. You can pair it with a deep bottle green blouse or ivory blouse and accessorize it with contrasting jewelry to create a Tiranga effect. Another beautiful saffron orange sari. This one is unique with its vertical thread stripes running through the body. This is a combination of thread work and zari. So you find these vertical stripes done in thread, and there are zari buttas of Mail Chakram all over done in zari. This sari doesn't have borders, so you can just see narrow zari stripes at either end. The pallu of this beautiful sari is a gorgeous mix of green and blue. It's a mild karuthu color. You can accessorize it with its own blouse or with a saffron blouse or ivory blouse or bottle green blouse and pair it with some lovely contrasting jewelry. A lovely ivory white Kanjivaram silk sari is what we have for you now. The body of this beautiful sari is in a lovely ivory beigeish cream color, and it's a plain sari and it has beautiful silver zari stripes on either side. The pallu has beautiful elegant stripes of motifs done in silver colored zari. These are small Rudraksha motifs. This is a very classy, very elegant and timeless sari, very versatile. You can accessorize it with a contrasting saffron blouse and pair it with some beautiful jewelry, or you can pair it with a green blouse and accessorize it with some coral beads and so on. So this will create a beautiful tricolor effect. Another off-white Kanjivaram silk sari, another versatile one, and this one is completely done using thread work. This is one of our much loved threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris. The body has small threadwork buttas and the borders have rectapated threadwork motifs like this, 2 rows of motifs. The gorgeous pallu has elaborate threadwork motifs of diamond motifs, Then there are Banaras motifs, Kutripu motifs and Kamalam motifs all done in thread. This is a very stunning sari, very fabulous and timeless. You can pair it with a contrast blouse and accessorize it with contrasting jewelry, and you can give it different looks every time you drape this sari. A stunning green threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari is what we have for you next. The body of this beautiful sari is in a gorgeous green and it has self-woven stripes running along the length of the sari. These are like pinstripes. The borders are in a maroonish red and it has lovely threadwork motifs of Rudraksha. The pallu of this beautiful sari has floral and Rudraksha motifs all done in thread. The sari comes with a blouse fabric in a maroonish red with woven pattern all over it. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a contrasting blouse and give it a beautiful, stunning effect. Since the sari doesn't have any zari, you can wear it to office, you can wear it for small occasions and other events too. A beautiful Kanjivaram which is a combination of threadwork and zari. This one is in a beautiful green color. The body of this beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari has very small kattan or checks done in blue, and there are threadwork motifs all over the body, and these are Malli Muggu or jasmine bud motifs. The borders are in a lovely blue and it has two stripes of zari. It's a red painted zari border. The pallu of the sari is in a lovely violet color and it has seeper ekar done in zari. This sari comes with a blouse fabric like this in a beautiful purplish violet color. You can pair this sari with an ivory blouse and accessorize it with some lovely coral jewelry. Our national flag has three beautiful colors: saffron, which denotes strength and courage, white, which denotes peace and truth, and green, which denotes fertility and abundance in our land. Don the flag colors and take pride in being an Indian. You can shop for our Independence Day collection from our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye, and happy Independence Day.